Have a pleasant day, children. In our English class, what we are going to see is conditional clauses. This question is asked for objective type and 2 mark questions also. Now we can see the types. What are the conditions present in this? Zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional and third conditional. These are the 4 types we can see in these conditionals. First we are moving to the zero conditionals. How the format will be: if or when plus present simple, then the subordinate clause carries a present simple or imperative. Present simple plus imperative. You will write present simple plus imperative. So where we use this zero conditionals are true facts or situations and for giving instruction. Example: if you don't water the flowers, they die. So see here, this is the main class. It have this verb don't water. This is a simple present. So the subordinate class they die, it also carries here the verb is simple present. So zero condition we will have simple present in the main class and simple present in the subordinate class also. So this is the form we can write. You have learnt in 9th standard what is class and what is phrase. Phrase does not have a finite verb, but a class has a finite verb. So based on that we are writing these sentences and applying the rules. Now see the second one. If you want to come, send me a message. Here want means this is the simple present form of verb. The second class carries the simple present only. இதை என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க, என்ன கண்டிஷன் சொல்லுவாங்கன்னா ட்ரூ ஃபேக்ட் இல்லைனா சிச்சுவேஷன் கண்டிஷன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஸோ நம்ம ஃபஸ்ட்டு பார்ட்டில் ப்ரெசன்ட் சிம்பிள் ப்ரெசண்ட்டில் உள்ள வெர்பு யூஸ் பண்ணோம்னா அந்த செகண்ட் கிளாஸ் அதாவது சபார்டினேட் கிளாஸ் இல்லைனா டிபெண்ட் கிளாஸில் என்ன டென்ஸ் தான் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோமா, சிம்பிள் ப்ரெசன்ட் தான் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். இதுதான் ஜீரோ கண்டிஷன். Now we are coming to the second condition, அதாவது டைப் 1. டைப் 1 என்னென்னா ஃபஸ்ட்டு கண்டிஷனல்னு சொல்லுவோம். அதுக்கு இன்னொரு நேம், யூ கேன் நேம் இட் அஸ் ப்ராபபிள் ஆர் ஓப்பன் கண்டிஷன். ஸோ இன் விச் பிளேசஸ் யூ வில் யூஸ் திஸ் இஸ் possible or probable situation you apply this condition, and for giving warnings and making promises also you use this first conditional only. So the format, how the format will be: if or unless plus simple present. If it is in the main class, if simple present is present means in the subordinate class we will apply future, either will or can. Future form will or the auxiliary verb can also be used. Both depict ability only. So will or can plus verb. Verb we will use the present form of verb only. So what are the situations we are using this first conditional or possible or probable situation? For giving warnings and making promises also we use this condition. Example: if you behave kindly, people will respect you. If you behave kindly, people will respect you. This is the form we can apply. See here, the verb which is used in the main class is present form, and in the subordinate class the verb is accompanied by a future form. So will respect, you won't write people respect. You can write this in the zero condition means you will write respect alone. So this is first conditional. So will respect, it is the correct answer here. If I have money, I will help you. Have is the present form of verb, and will, future subordinate class carries the will plus V1 verb. So this is the first conditional. Now we are moving to the second conditional. This is improbable or hypothetical condition. Improbable or hypothetical condition. This is open condition. First one is type 1 is open condition. Type 2 is improbable or hypothetical condition. So this is an imaginary situation. So see here the format if plus simple past. If it is in the main class, the verb is in simple past means subordinate class what we will use would or could plus V1 verb. So which places this is employed is imaginary or unreal or impossible condition. Example: if I won a lottery, I would buy or I could buy a BMW car. So one is in simple past form. So in the second part we are using what? Would or could. The past form of will or could, can. Past form of will is would and past form of can is could. Would or could buy V1 verb plus V1 verb a BMW car. Second sentence, if I were a bird I would fly. Were is in simple past, so second part carries would plus V1 verb. Fly is V1 form. Now we are moving to the third condition, type third conditional. Impossible condition, we can say it as impossible condition. So if plus past perfect, if the main class the verb is in past perfect form, means in subordinate class we will write would have plus V3, would have plus V3. So would have or could have. So which places you are using this verb is things that didn't happen. We can say hypothetical condition also, and it is an impossible condition. First two, probable, improbable. Probable open condition. Then second one, imaginary condition. This is impossible condition. This is impossible condition which cannot be happen, which cannot happen. Things that didn't happen. So only it takes the form. It has a past perfect in the main class, and subordinate class we have would have or plus V3 form of verb we have to use. So see the example ma. If James had performed well, he would have got a prize. Had performed, this is in past perfect form, and the second part subordinate class carries would have plus V3 form. Should not write would have get, would have got. V3 form of verb must be used. Second sentence you see, if I had heard the question, I would have answered it. So this is the answer for had heard. Past perfect, we are using would have plus V3 answered. Now let us move to the examples in the book, exercises in the book. So see the exercise ma, I will mark it. If I see the signal, so underlining, see means a simple present. So what we will use here means, see means a simple present. So what we will use here ma, will stop. So this is the answer, I will stop my car. Then if I were a bird, if I were a bird means were is in simple past. So what we will use, this is simple present, so we are using future form, second part. This is past, so we will use I would cross the ocean. So B is the answer. Then if I were a fish, same pattern. Were means simple past, so we will use I would live in water. So this is the answer for this. Moving to the next sentence. If I had rained, if it had rained, we would stop the game. We would have stopped. Past perfect means that condition we are applying this, they have stopped. If I had more money, had means here there is no verb, but had is the possessive form of verb. This is past, so we would use he would help the needy. So the answer is D, here C. And then now we are moving to the sixth one. If Somu had studied means a past perfect, so we are using third condition, would have scored more marks. Then if you write fast, write means this is a simple present, so we will use you will finish it, simple future. Then if I drop this class means a simple present, so we are using simple future, we will break, A option. The ninth one, if I had worked hard, had, so we have to use had worked past perfect, so third condition, would have succeeded. Then if you sleep too much, sleep means here what it is used ma, simple present, so we will use simple future, so the A the correct answer. Now you are clear with the example, I think. Now let us see the next one also. If I were a millionaire, I would help the needy. So this is B option is the right answer. If she had not helped him means here he would suffer. No, wrong. This is not the answer. He would have suffered, because here you see had not helped, negative form, but past perfect form. So the C answer is correct. He would have suffered a lot. Then 13th one, if you are kind to her, kind. So simple present, she will like you, will like you. If you don't repay the loan, if you don't repay the loan means here don't repay. This is what ma? This is simple present in negative form. So I will not give. So A is the right answer. Then 15th one you see, if I had time, had, possessive form of verb. This is the main verb. It is not carrying any other. Had enough time. Whatever may be here, had is the verb. So this is in past form, not past perfect. Past perfect means had plus a verb will be there. Had worked, had studied. This is the past perfect form. Here had is the past form of verb, and so we will write I would meet you. Don't confuse past perfect and this possessive verb. So this is the answer for this. Now you all will be clear with this form of exercises.